Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a package from Temu. It's a new website that is supposed to be similar to AliExpress. I was sent a link by my sister telling me to check them out and get some items. So for new users, they had a deal going on. They let you choose between like 3 boxes and it determined how many free items you were able to get. So I was able to get 10 free items out of 13, so I only paid for 3. I paid a total of $50, and I'll like show you guys at the end like what that looks like, but let's do an unboxing and see what I got. So let me just open this up. I might have to, I don't know, I don't want to cut nothing, but oh. So the first item we have is a desk ring light. It's a 10-inch. So I already have a ring light camera, but it's not one that's specific to the desk, and I've been wanting one. Okay. Honestly, it's perfect. It's perfect, it's perfect, it's perfect. I could not complain about it. It's a great size. Now, I would have to actually put this together, plug it in, make sure everything is working. So let me just try that off camera, and I'm gonna come right back. Okay guys, so I finally put it together. It didn't take long at all. And let's just test out the lighting. I have it plugged up, so let's see how bright it gets. Okay, so as you can see, it has kind of like a yellow undertone, but it is pretty good, and I think that might be better because the one I have now, I only have white. I don't have it for different colors. But for me, it's pretty good, and it has different settings for the brightness. This is the highest one, then it goes lower, lower, and pretty much I think that was the lowest. This is the lowest setting. So it's pretty good, sturdy. It doesn't feel like this part feels really sturdy. It doesn't feel like if you put your phone in it, it's gonna be like falling off or anything like that. I like it, and I'm definitely gonna use it for some content. Absolutely. So let's open the next item that I got from them. Let me go ahead and turn this off. And just to let you guys know, the instructions is on the box. It is on the box. That's super smart because I was like, okay, what goes where? Super easy. There was nothing else in the box. They didn't put instructions because the instructions are the box itself. So if you guys have any questions about how I did that, since I did it off camera, please just let me know and I'll go ahead and make another video about how I put it together. Okay guys, so the next item that we have came together is 3 boxes, and they're the same thing, you guys. And they're all lashes. 30 lashes was 1 free item, y'all. 30 of them. And they're all different. They're numbered different. Yeah, if not. Honestly, it's like they letting me try every single different design that they have. They all have different numbers on them. So yeah, I love that. So now let's go to the next one. I think all of the packaging is really the same thing, all the numbers. Yeah, so each one has the same type of lashes. So we can definitely go to the next set. But I love these. I really do. Okay, so I was really excited for this one. This is the electric waist belt. So this is the like portable heating pad. Look at it, guys. You know, this was going viral on like TikTok and stuff. So this is one of the ones I actually had to pay for, but I wasn't mad because there was a site charging like $50 for one, and I paid $50 for everything that you see here. So, and I think this one was like 20 bucks. So I got a really good deal. And it is just as described. Now, of course, I have to try it out to actually see like if it really gets hot, how good it is. But I'll make another video explaining to y'all, you know, the ones I liked, if there's anything I didn't like. But I'm really excited. It came right on time. So I'm going to get in. Oh, and it comes with a charger. But we can get into the next item because it is like 13 items altogether. Okay, so I know you're like, we just saw this. So there was 30 pairs of lashes that I got for free, and then there was 30 that I got again, and I ended up having to pay for it. It was one of the items that was paid for, but y'all, do I look disappointed? Because I'm not. 30 lashes. 30. I wear lashes every time I'm stepping out, like on the weekend when I do my makeup. This is perfect. If I was like an MUA, I would be eating the girls up with this. And it's just different like sizes, shapes. Because you know everybody don't like the real big lashes. I personally do, but everybody does not. So I think, like I said, all the boxes are the same. They are. I love them. I love them. And I'm going to link everything below, I promise. And I'm going to put my code if you guys want to sign up for the Temu website. But let's get into the next product. Okay, since these are the same things, I'm going to do kind of like a 2-in-1 and just show y'all what I got. Beauty blenders. I always keep these. I loved that they have the smaller ones because I can really use that in like different areas, and the bigger ones for my face. And it's perfect. I love this. And then they're all the same size and they're bigger. And they're colorful and I love it. I know it's given like, are you an MUA? But no, I just be doing my own makeup, and I like to have some products laying around. So I'm not mad at this. All this for $50, I already feel like it's worth it. I got 60 pairs of lashes, the portable heating pad, and makeup sponges. Like, how can you go wrong? You can't. So let's get into the next thing. Okay, so while we're on the topic of my nephew, I saw something that was for babies, a baby boy, and I had to get it. I'm like, it's free. And my nephew will be here in a couple months. Look at it, guys. It's so cute, little onesie with a hoodie. And it's navy blue, which I love blue, and my sister loves blue, so that's perfect. It has these little like shorts, or are they sweats? Because by the time he gets here, and it's like 3 to 6 months, he'll be born in like July or August. And then it'll be a little chilly those next couple months, so this will be perfect. Hopefully he can fit it, but I love this, guys. I really do. But we can move on to the next thing. And I think this was 10 bucks, guys. $10, and it was really, really cute. And again, free. It was free. So let's get into the next product. The next item that I have is makeup brushes, guys. They're not like a whole bunch of them, but I always like to cycle some out, especially the ones I use the most. I don't know why it's this packaging, I don't know about this. No, just trying to open it up. All right, it's all right. So let's see. They are cute, They are cute. I definitely give it that. Now, how do they feel? They're soft. Okay. Of course, I'm going to wash them. I guess I'll really see when it comes to application, but I love the color. I love like a mauve color. I usually get that on my nails a lot. This is cute. They're cuters. I'm gonna try them out, see what the application is like. They're not any like Real Technique brushes or anything like that, but for small stuff I can use it. Yeah, I don't think I'll use it for foundation for the most part, but for some other stuff, we'll see how it blends. But I love it. And let's get on to the next item. The next items are two clothing items, which I was excited to try to close. Just like AliExpress, sometimes they have like really good like outfits. And I'm gonna show y'all what it's like a picture of it. It's like a little halter situation. Like a little jumpsuit. Kind of casual, but it's cute. I like it. Of course, I'm gonna have to try it on. Okay, so let's see what this one looks like. It was super cute, like the actual picture. And I liked it because, look y'all, there is no back, honey, okay? The fabric starts right where your butt is, so it's really cute. I gotta try it on to see if it's, you know, really like hitting the way the pictures were, but I love it. I do have some trips coming up, so maybe I can get some pictures in this, but we're gonna see. But let's go on to the next item. Okay, so y'all, I'm like a little disappointed. I thought these were bigger than they are. So basically this goes in the air fryer, so to collect all the oil and stuff like that. I'm gonna have to get some bigger ones, but it's still good. You know what I'm saying? Maybe if I want to separate something or something, or I'm doing like a smaller portion, I'll use it. I'm not mad, but I do wish they were bigger. But there's like 3 in here, and that's perfect for me. So we have one last item, and I'm just gonna cycle this in. This is the Selfie Stick, the tripod. So like I said, I'm going on a trip, and I really want to be able to get some footage because I literally just went to Jamaica and I have no footage for y'all. It's because I don't really have like the content creating, like all the accessories to be able to do that, and also time. But let's just open it and see what it's like. I'm not gonna put this one together because I just don't my mind is like elsewhere, but I just want y'all to see what comes in it. So, oh, I thought I had to put something together. It looks pretty simple to me. Still not sure how you put your phone on it or what. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, it looked pretty simple. Boom, and then probably to extend it or something. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. But thank you guys so much for watching. That was the last item. I'm gonna post the itemized list of everything I got. I'm gonna have the links below. And yeah, and I'm gonna also put the referral code so you guys can use it. If you have any questions about anything that you saw me open, just go ahead and leave your comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching.